Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special moment. I'd like to invite a very special guest to stage. You all know him. Ladies and gentlemen of AJR, we have Adam Nuts! It's hard to remember, so I wrote it on the back of my hand. Cause I leave the nest this coming December to make it as a grown man. I'm about to lose my little fingers. I'm backing up whatever I can. Been waiting for today, but all I can think to say is oh no, don't go out my leg goes. What if I can let it go? What if I come back home? Oh no, don't go out my leg goes. What if I can let it go? What if I come back home? Can we keep my Legos at home? Cause I wanna move out, I don't wanna move on. Right! Suddenly we hate so bad. Saved up enough to rent an apartment far away from mom and dad. My Christmas card looks like I'm not shot, but suddenly I'm getting sad. I'm waiting for today, but all I can think to say is oh no, don't go out my leg goes. What if I can let it go? What if I come back home? Oh no, don't go out my Legos. What if I can let it go? What if I come back home? Can we keep my Legos at home? Cause I wanna move out, I don't wanna move on.
Hi everyone. I'm so freaking happy to be here. It is so nice to be back on stage. And thank you so much for having me. You might know this, but I spent the last year or so working on a lot of other things. I wrote this book that just came out. It's called Amplify. And honestly, it really